Hello dear son, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I have many years experience with different softwares and tools. In this video with Affinity, we are going to learn how to use auto select with the move tool. So I'm going to draw some shapes. When I get my move tool, I can select any shape from my artboard. Now if I uncheck auto select and select this one, only I can move this object which is selected. And if I want to select this one, I cannot. I need to select everything, and here I need to check this auto select. When you check auto select, I can select this one, the second object, and the third one. But if I uncheck that, so only I can select one object, and if I want to select the second one, I cannot, but only I can move this selected object. So this is how we can use auto select with move tool with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.